Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back. With December coming around the corner, everyone is talking about the Christmas rally. Are we gonna have a Christmas rally? How many times in the past have we had a Christmas rally? Exactly how predictable is this? So in this video, I'm gonna be going back in history and I've mapped out all Christmases in the past 10 years. With the green line being a Christmas uptrend, which is not always the case. Sometimes it starts off with a big bloodbath, which is usually followed by an uptrend. So I'm just gonna change this to line graph. So like I said, every green or red line I've put in here represents the period from December into January. Last Christmas was a straight uptrend. And the year before that, absolutely obliterated. When I'm pointing these out, guys, keep in mind of what's going on before the crash. You know, as you can see here, we went into December extremely bearish. And then as December hits, the trend continued hard. The year before that, solid uptrend. Went so parabolic into February that it got absolutely floored. The year before that, we started with a bang, ended with a bang. So the year before that, that looks nasty, man. That does not look pretty. Same thing, look how we built up to this moment. Around mid-August, we had a solid drop, 11% on the S&P 500, which is crazy. Met with impenetrable resistance. Year before that, we started December with a dump, and then around mid-December, followed up with a major pump. The year before that, pretty much the exact same thing until around mid-December, and then we pumped. The year before that, we pumped into December, and then during Christmas, we dumped. It seems to me, from looking at all this data, like that is kind of rare. Right here, the year before, we start December with a little dump, but as we get closer and closer to Christmas, the pump continues. So I don't need to go over all of these. It's pretty obvious, guys. The year before that, we had an uptrend. The year before that, we had an uptrend. And yeah, that goes back 10 years. Now I'm going to do a calculation just for fun. Take it as you will. I'm going to calculate the average ROI, return on investment, over the past 10 years when considering the Christmas rally, okay? The moment of truth. Boom. The average medium over the past 10 Christmases from December to January is about 2.3% on the S&P 500. Which if you factor that into, you know, more volatile stocks, it's going to be a lot more than 2.3%. But this was just for fun. Obviously, anything can happen. Every Christmas is its own certain situation. If you want my honest opinion, I say we are going into Christmas with a nice setup. As I showed you before, in all the negative return Christmas months leading up to December, the charts always seemed very unhealthy. Look, if I didn't know anything about this pandemic and this entire year of 2020, and I just saw this chart, my bet would be that we are going to end Christmas with a bang. Don't take my word for it, do your own research, but I hope this brings more clarity to you in case, you haven't experienced the holiday season. Sometimes, I would say most of the time, it works out, but sometimes it's a shit show. At the end of the day, you all need to decide what you're going to do with your money. Thanks guys for watching. Peace out.